Good day. This is Dan Serrar coming to you from Victoria Mack Trucks here just out in Saanich. Today we're looking at a 2015 Mack CHU613. It's the rawhide edition. It's a heavy haul tractor. It's got a 70-inch mid-rise rawhide deluxe sleeper. The Mack engine is inside this truck, and it's the 505C, which is the MP8. It's got 1860 foot-pounds of torque. Also has the 12-speed transmission, which is the M-Drive. The Mack M-Drive automated manual transmission. This truck has a 14.6 front, 46,000 rears, Mack air ride suspension, 243-inch wheelbase, and it's black in color. It's also got the Magnum bumper on the back, and it does have a S-bar heater in this truck. It also has custom rear fenders, and like I said earlier, it has the ride package. Also, this was the 2014 Truxpo truck that we had to show earlier this year. I'll just go to the other side now and give you a look at that side. Now I'm standing at the passenger side of the truck. As you can tell, it's got aluminum wheels, aluminum fuel tanks, aluminum air tanks, and it's got a lot of chrome on it. It also has the chrome visor and every other piece of chrome we can put on this truck. I'll just go to the back and give you a look on that side now. I'm standing at the rear passenger side, and there's the custom fenders that I was talking about earlier. Also, we have the headache rack on there. It's all it's Magnum. It's all stainless steel. Very nice. I'll just go to the other side and give you a look there. Now standing at the driver's side at the rear. I'll just give you a closer walk around now. These are the custom fenders, and there's these handy bolts right here to easily remove them off the truck. This truck has Bridgestone tires on the rear, 11R22.5s. It's the M770s. Got a custom pinstriping paint on this unit. Fuel tank on this side is 150 gallons. That's and usable is 142. There's the DEF tank there. We have 11R22.5 tires on the front also. This battery box, air tank on the side here. Then here's the second fuel tank. We have a 100 gallons on this side, so for a total of 250 gallons. It's a Holland fifth wheel on the back. And I'll just give you a look inside now. Saying earlier, it's the rawhide package. It's ultra leather seats. It's very good for a truck because it's easy to clean and it actually breathes. There's the shifter for the automated manual tranny with the light. It's a little. There's the radio. Go ahead and start it. Give you a look in the sleeper. With the it's very hard to make it out back here because the lighting does have a spot for the TV there. There's the wraparound dash there. If you have any questions on this vehicle, please give us a call here at Mack in Victoria. Our number is 778-426-0185. And that's Victoria Mack here. Thank you for watching.